Netherlands is so safe that it has to import criminals from abroad to fill jails. Netherlands recently closed 19 prisons due to lack of criminals. What about your country? After my death, my whole property will go to trust, and each paisa from this will go in benefit of poor people and not even one paisa to my family. It's you people who made me superstar by spending money on tickets to watch me by Sir Rajnikant. In earlier times, Chinese people used to call India as Yanju, which means heaven. Pune has now become Maharashtra's largest city, surpassing Mumbai, largest city in Maharashtra and seventh in India now. Pune will have a geographical area of 516.18 square kilometer, while the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has 440 square kilometer area. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose cleared the Indian Civil Service examination in 1920 in England. Later, he resigned from his civil service job on April 23, 1921, after hearing about India's struggle for freedom. India is the world's largest milk producer with 22% of global production, followed by the United States of America, China, Pakistan, and Brazil. Bahubali, The Beginning, is the only non-English film to be played at Royal Albert Hall in London ever since its inauguration 148 years ago. ISRO created a record in February 2017, launching 104 satellites in a single mission using the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. 96 of the 104 satellites belong to the United States. Brihadeshwar Temple is the first complete granite temple in the world. Around 60,000 tons of granite is said to be used to build the temple. A rebroadcast of Ramayana on Doordarshan smashes viewership records worldwide. The show becomes the most watched entertainment show in the world with 7.7 crore viewers on 16th of April. With over 135 million subscribers and over 100 billion total views, T-Series is the largest YouTube channel in the world. Bangar Fort is the most haunted place in Rajasthan, in India. It is located on the border of the Sariska Reserve in the Aravalli range of hills in Alwar district of Rajasthan. J.R.D. Tata was India's first licensed pilot and founder of the country's first commercial airline company, Tata Airlines, in 1932. Tata Airlines, later renamed as Air India in 1946. This is the signature of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Shakuntala Devi was given the title the Woman Calculator after she demonstrated the calculation of two 13-digit numbers which were picked at random. She answered correctly within 28 seconds. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. Kebul Lamjung National Park in the Bishnupur district of the state of Manipur in India is the only floating national park in the world.